life is to be enjoyed, and you should find every single piece of enjoyment as much as possible.
Where is enjoyment? How do I find it? I haven't found any of it.
You could find it in the food, in the beach, at the beach.
The little things, I guess.
The little things, that's what it's in, all in the details.
This is a he, right? The reason why donkeys have a cross on their back is because Jesus rode on them.
Yeah, you said you only have one life. So make sure that you're happy, you know. If not, you're just gonna be miserable and famous. I curate my environment. Yeah, I curate it like a playlist. Having the right people around me that are not afraid to tell me off or, you know, be upset with me or tell me no. And I always just try and find little experiences everywhere I go. My mom's on tour with me too. I just try and make the most beautiful scene every single time.
I brought my perfumes here with me. I'm about to go around and advertise it to people.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another cozy intentional moment on this channel. If you're new here, you're officially part of the family, and if you're old here, thank you so much for stopping by again. We're flying from JFK to Accra on Delta today, and I would like to bring you on this journey. I hope you enjoy this video.
Another time I can see the light. Go for my dreams, I'm ready to fight. If I no go agree, I go talk my mind. Oh, as I day, my day, no man go fit decide my feet. I don't they watch nobody face, and I'm just doing my own thing, oh darling. And I be grinding for many years, oh, for many years, oh, for many years, oh. Been on my grind, been hustling, jolly for many years, oh.
This is the next morning and it's time for breakfast. Breakfast was very good. The only thing is I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but aside that, it was very good. This beautiful Airbnb is located in Accra. I loved everything about it. It's called Solaris, and I'm sure you guys will love it. Next time you're in Accra, make sure to check this out. I'm so exhausted. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. This is the door. This area has a table and a chair. I'm gonna take you to the kitchen area.
When they go show me in my mandema, why I know fi catch your antenna? Lua, can you let it rain on me? I will never pick an umbrella. Follow my case, so yeah. I'm in line, out of time, let me shine. Need a true religion, make I look super fly. Cause I wanna bet me in a Toyota garage. God, I wanna live it, I don't want no more Versace. Yeah, they say Romans didn't build Rome overnight, but I wanna strike it like I'm purely number 9. Yeah, I wish a nigga could be looking more refined, cause I've been the hustle over time. Let me tell you, see, I want the peace, and I want the cheese. I done push it to the limit, no apologies, so the world can see. Feel I wanna peace, I just want enough to feed all of my family. God, I'm on my knees, can you give me peace? Every second, every minute, see, I wanna leave. And Jesus, peace, can I get a piece? Can you let me be who I wanna be? It was all crumbling, stumbling. Every time we were so close to winning. Them tried to stop me when we're going in, but now we're shine like diamonds. the time and it's divine planning. A blessing so aligning. So no they envy my brother. I swear all my life I've been grinding. Many years so. Many years so. Many years so. Many years so. Let's go back. Let me tell you, see, I want the peace and I want the cheese.
Put the AC on because I am being toasted. Oh God, 16 is good.
Every second, every minute, see, Jesus, peace, can I get a piece? Can you let me be who I wanna be?
It's the same sliding door concept.
Close to winning. Them try to stop me when we're going in, but now with a shine like diamonds, it's all in the time.
This is a window. I'm not gonna open it, but yeah. It's a nice place. I'm excited. Hotels. But it's a nice place. I have to call in for some towels. Could it be here? No. Okay, there's one.
Upstairs, back up. Okay.
We're in Ghana.
Mommy, I be a doctor. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out though. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba Frayo, my ayo.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for a night.
Isn't this view beautiful? So serene, so nice. I'm gonna show you guys the cruise. This is it right there. So nice. Oh, you guys want to see my nails? So cute, right? Yeah. So serene out here. Just wanted to come here and show you guys. So if you guys are familiar with Royal Senchi, but we're around Royal Senchi. Let me know if you guys on the location. They have jet skis, they have cruises, they have boats, they have canoes, they have kayaks. It's beautiful. Anyways, guys. Beautiful view. I'm feeling vibes on vibes.
Girl, you find the way you are, the way you are, you are. Melanin skin, you are a queen, oh yes, it's true. Girl, you find the way you are, but not your girl.
Simin consume my core, or simin where we are my ball. I so fufu my one thing as you say my ball. Asantini bad your bekebia mayo, meaning a koa, a command masua, but maybe a betrabia so much enemy superpower. So be a better than say, I'm beside us, so be madam, and a warfare. Tumbo new Christoni, I renew goodness, it's just way your money. Then I warfare, and your mammy, I been to see a custom miss my like, I heard the funny. Me jolly one I'm a pet, boys who will listen, no way, won't also me pet. Me jolly one I'm a pet, boys who will listen, go back with me, and so one I'm a pet.
You're my number one, nobody did but you. Girl, you find the way you are, the way you are. Melanin skin, you are a queen, oh yes, it's true. Girl, you find the way you are, but not your girl.
Take you guys closer. I was trying to lay on this yesterday, but I got scared. Seems fun. Just imagine laying on this, reading a book, and enjoying the beautiful view. There's a couple to my right, so I don't want to get them, but yeah.
I'm honest, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe it, better receive it. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only baby I'm not, baby I'm not.
So this beautiful place is a Ladin. I asked for the waterfront room, so that's why I have this view. This is the balcony. You can sit here with your lover, you can sit here and eat. You want a little vacation, come see a little staycation. Right here. They do have jet skis and they do have cruises. So depending on what you want to do. Unfortunately, they said they have an issue with their jet skis now, so we can't do any jet skis on this trip, but I'm taking you guys to the room. So there's a sliding glass door. cute little room. You get a side table, there's AC, there's a TV, there's a mini fridge. Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh, nothing. You get the bed. You know, nothing extravagant, just simple stuff. There's the bathroom. Yeah, this is the place I'm gonna stay till we go to the main place. So the
believe everything we had was young and naive of me to think she was from your past.
somewhere in Adam. That's my forecasting.
So blind it feels right when it's wrong.
Oh my god.
God have mercy.
During our stay, I was informed about a zoo in Adam, so I took that opportunity to go see the next. Viewers noticed the next clips features reptiles including snakes, alligators, tortoises, as well as monkeys. If you don't want to view this part, please skip to the next clips.
So I feature my mind about the men. So I feature my mind be like anything. I feel see with enemies pleasing. Big miss mama you find. Big miss mama you men. Big miss mama ya anything. I feel see my enemies pleasing. So I feature
The babies are over there. 3 babies. Guys, they feed on live chicken and live goat. It's crazy, right? Let's go see the monkeys.
So I feature my mind about the men. So I feature my mind be like anything. I feel see with enemies pleasing. Big miss mama you find. Big miss mama you men. Big miss mama ya anything. I feel see my enemies pleasing.
Hi, monkey.
So I feature my mind about the men. So I feature my mind be like anything. I feel see with enemies pleasing.
Do you guys see how the sun is looking at me?
anything. I feel see my enemies praising. So I feel change my mind about the fan low. So I feel change my mind about the men low. So I feel change my mind and be like anything. I feel see my enemies blazing. Two faces. One on your screwed faces. When I sing two faces in thousand scenarios, too crazy. Move hasty, move busy. All the best. Life's too short for a man's stress. Big moves here when you want attention. When you see the nations.
This kind of behavior is never tolerated in Boracay. You shout like that, they put you in jail. You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses, you right to jail. You undercook fish, believe it or not, jail. You overcook chicken, also jail. Undercook, overcook. You make an appointment with the dentist and you don't show up, believe it or not, jail, right away. We have the best patients in the world because of jail.
Maya, behave, okay?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Change your mind.
No.
What? Oh, yeah, my shoe.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Okay, guys, we're leaving. It was fun. Anytime you come to Ada, come here. Oh, yeah, waiting for me. Balcony with a beautiful view. I don't know if you guys can see the fish. Look at the chairs. These are just balconies. I'm gonna take you guys to the room. They have the Safari black soap, it's authentic black soap. They have shea butter or shea butter, however you pronounce it. Comes in two, and I guess this is to pick the shea butter. There's a shower cap, there's a vanity kit, there's this shaving kit, there's a You actually have a sitting area. How old is she? Oh, wow.
I think I have a baby.
I went into 2025 knowing I wanted to make a difference in the business industry. I've always been business-minded. From middle school, helping my mom sell, to high school, selling soaps to classmates. I learned early that value is created when you solve a problem. Even back then, I didn't just want to sell. I wanted people to feel something. I always knew I had it in me. I created Noire Elixir Beauty because I was tired of compromising. I love luxury and fragrance, but I can't tell you how many times I couldn't travel with my full-size perfume, or how I broke my favorite bottle on vacation. And even after spending money on high-end brands, the scent wouldn't last. That's because most luxury perfumes are only 5 to 15% perfume oil, mixed heavily with alcohol. I wanted more. So I created Noire Elixir Beauty, premium skincare and fragrance made with 30% perfume oil extract. Rich, long-lasting, intentional, designed to be carried everywhere and to stay with you all day. But this brand is bigger than me. I wanted people in Africa, especially Ghana, to have access to authentic skincare and fragrance from around the world. Products that aren't always easy to find or trust locally. That's where we come in. We source Victoria's Secret products directly from the USA and Korean skincare straight from the source. From face masks and foot masks to soaps, lotions, collagen products, and home fragrances. Everything is authentic, in stock in Ghana, and offered at affordable prices, including wholesale for anyone who wants to start their own business. Noire Elixir Beauty was built from real frustration and real purpose. And if you're watching this with an idea in your heart, this is your sign. Start with what you know. Solve a real problem. And don't wait for perfect. This is Noire Elixir Beauty, and this is just the beginning. And if you're watching this with a business idea in your heart, this is your sign. Start. You don't need permission, perfect timing, or all the answers. You need courage. Your story, your struggles, and what you've lived through are exactly what make your idea valuable. Be bold enough to bet on yourself. Be brave enough to build. This is how bosses are made.
Let me tell you something about this perfume straight from fucking Dubai. Okay. This stuff right here, can't stop spraying it. Need a full size. Unfortunately, she don't have one.
Attention, attention, if you're not spending money.
Shopping a moment to watch the attached videos, see our products in action, and discover how Noire Elixir Beauty can elevate your skincare, your space, and your everyday glow. Stay connected with us. Engage with our Instagram and TikTok at noire.elixir.beauty